Shalom and welcome to this 39th part of our short Bible study series. Today's title is The Righteous Shall Flourish Like the Palm Tree, and that comes from a well-known psalm, Psalm 92 and verse 12. Let me read that to you. The righteous shall flourish like the palm tree. He shall grow like a cedar in Lebanon. Now, have you ever wondered why the psalmist used that interesting comparison? The palm tree of the scriptures is a date palm. It never grows wild, but it has to be planted and carefully tended when young. Second point that I'd like to make is that it's different from other trees in that it grows from within. Its growing living tissue is in a column in the center of the trunk. The bark can be removed, it can be scarred and cut, but still the palm thrives. The bark is only the support and protection of the inner life of the palm. The third thing that I noticed was that the quantity and quality of its fruit are determined by the success of the growth of its inner life. The palm bears its best fruit in old age. The fruit is the sweetest when the palm is 80 years old. When some other fruit trees get old, the fruits get smaller and smaller and smaller, but not so with the palm. And the fourth observation is that the palm doesn't wilt when water is withheld for a season, for its roots go deep, deep down, allowing it to thrive in dry, sandy soil. And so its foliage remains green all the year round. Now, in addition to date palms, the palm family as a whole has about 2,600 varieties, and they have at least 350 uses. As food alone, they produce dates, coconut meat, coconut oil, and coconut milk. They provide sugar from the sap, food starch from the trunk, oil and butter from the fleshy fruit of the oil palm tree, and cooking oil from the seed kernel. The leaves of the carnauba palm are used for inedible shoe wax. The palm is also used for timbers and thatch, for fuel, for lamp oil, for making ropes and brooms, brushes, cloth, hats, baskets, shades, and the lowly footmat. So I think that is a rather interesting species and probably has quite a number of human analogies which we could make with it. Take believers, for example. Believers grow from the inside and can prosper in spite of deep scars. We get sweeter as we get older. We thrive in rain or drought. Our leaves shall not wither. Our roots go deep, deep down into the Master Yah'shua the Messiah. And there are countless kinds of Christians and Messianics with a multiplicity of foods for the passers-by to partake of. We can be used by Yahweh as a lofty, majestic support column or as a lowly doormat as he sees fit, and all to the glory of the Master. May Yahweh bless your day.